This is Scott. Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Benefits of multimedia and ICT. ICT means information and communication technology. Multimedia is text, image, audio, video, and animation combined. Education and learning, more engaging videos, animation, and interactive apps make lessons easier to understand. Learning, online classes, ebooks, and tutorial are available anytime, anywhere. Organized space, student can learn on speed using simulation and online courses. Communication, stats, connection, video calls, chat, and email let people communicate across distance. Collaboration. Teams can work together online using tools like Google, Bang, and Zoom. Whether it's social media, help spread information and just relate. Society and government. E-government survives online application for ID text and document. Healthcare, telemedicine, and digital patent records. Agriculture, smart farming with weather apps, drone lesson, and market price updates.